Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about the abacus tool. What is abacus tool? Abacus tool is a tool through which we do our mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. This abacus tool have different components. You can see 4 sides of this abacus tool is surrounded by a boundary which is called frame. After that you can see in this abacus tool it's a line which is called divider. Why it is called divider? Because it divides the whole abacus tool into 2 parts. First part is the above the line which is called upper parts and below the line which is called lower parts. This line is also called result bar because when these bits move and touches the result bar, it shows the answer. So this is called answer bar or the result bar. After that you can see in this line there is a 5 dot 1 2 3 4 5 and this middle dot, or you can say every dot, represent the unit place from where we start our counting. Now above the line is called the upper parts which is also known as upper bits. This upper bits value 5 and below the divider or the result bar there is 4 different color bits: green, yellow, orange and red. These all bits are called lower bits because this is below the result bar and this each bits value 1. It means upper bits value 5 and lower each bits value 1. Now this abacus tool you can see there is rod which consists different bits. These rods may be 13 or maybe 17. Rods can also be called column. Now we see how to hold this abacus tool. We have to use our hand to hold this abacus tool. We have to use these 3 fingers left hand side to hold in this way and this finger in this way and just put our hand in this way. To add or subtract upper bits from the left hand side we use finger in this way and add in this way. Okay, and to add or subtract lower bits using our right hand side we use index finger to add and subtract upper bits and to add lower bits using thumb and subtract using index finger. Now first of all we have to set this result bar into a 0 setting. What is 0 setting? 0 setting means when no bit touches the result bar, it means answer is 0. For that we have to put our finger in this way. We have to touch index finger and the thumb in this way and just put in the corner and press all the bits to be side and just do in this way. You can see all bits move out from this result bar. No bits touches the result bar. So this is called the 0 setting. Now we start our counting. how to read numbers in this abacus tool. We use our finger to hold this abacus tool and add 1. We use counting from unit place, that is started from the dot. We use our thumb to add lower bits. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5. For 5, we use index finger to touch upper bits. Why this is 5? Because upper bits value 5. Now 6, 7, 8, 9. Now if I have to do 10, then what we will do? This is unit place and next to it is the tens place. Next to it is the 100 and this will goes on. So to add 1 in the tens place, we use left hand side index finger. We have to just touch it and push it up. Okay. For 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now we have to do 20. Then 2 bits in the tens place and this bits from the unit place will be go away from the result bar. 2, 0, 20. Now 3, 0, 30. 4, 0, 40. Now 5. It means 5, 0, 50. We will use our middle finger and push in this way. 5, 0, 50. 6, 0, 60. 7, 0, 70. 8, 0, 80. 9, 0, 90. In this way we do our counting. 1, 0, 0, 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1, 0, 0, 0, 1000. In this way we read the number in the abacus tool. We will learn next thing in the next topic. So goodbye. 43 minus 6 plus 5 minus 6 plus 9 plus 1 minus 2 minus 6 plus 5 minus 6. Answer is 37. Yes, very good.